is Deanna. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig on my head that I got from Arabella Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So, a little bit about this hair. This is a 26-inch body wave wig that comes in like a 6x5 closure. So the closure goes from like here to here on my head. It has pre-cut lace. The knots are already like bleached for you because it's a light brown wig. The color is a chestnut brown. It's like a number 4. And then the density is 180 density. The inside of the wig comes in this like dome cap looking thing. It does have 2 little pieces for you to put in an elastic band if you want to, but it doesn't have any combs or anything like that. So this is just what the construction of the wig looks like. And also it comes pre-curled. So what you see right here is what the curls look like after I brushed out the curls or combed out the curls. And then I just touched up like a couple of them, but it pretty much comes in like this body wave thing. That's why the curls come so tightly, so that when all you have to do is like comb it out, and it has these curls for you. And also it already comes pre-parted. It came with a side part, so I didn't even have to do that. Only thing I did was like flatten the top and throw concealer on it. Yeah, so if you want to see how I installed this wig and how simple it is, you got to keep on. All right, so first things first, I'm taking the little package that they gave me, and I'm going to take out their wig cap. And I'm going to use that for this install. So this is how sheer the wig cap is. I'm going to go ahead and slide this off. So first I'm just taking some of my edge booster edge control, and I'm just going to put it along my edges here, because I forgot my hair looks crazy underneath that bonnet. I was not expecting this. Okay, so all right, cool. So hair is slicked back, and now I'm just gonna take the wig cap and slide this on. And as you can see, this wig cap is almost as white as my shirt. So I'm gonna be taking my cream makeup, this cream makeup right here from Movie Kisses, and my brush, and I need to add some color to this wig cap. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the same makeup, and I'm just gonna run it along the front of the lace like this, just to color it a little bit. Nothing too heavy, just a little bit go a long way, like that. So I happen to have an extra elastic band, so I'm gonna slide this onto the wig and then put the wig on. So it looks like this now. I'm just gonna adjust the strap a little bit. All right, I think that looks good. Really tight. Also, I like that they already have like parting in here, like a side part, because the side part is really pretty. But okay. So now that I have this situated on my head, I'm just gonna take some of my Wonder Bond spray and lay underneath the front of the wig. Spray on one more layer. All right, and then I'm gonna let that sit. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and comb out the curls. So these curls that come in the wig, are meant to be combed out so that it can fall, because again, this is supposed to be 26 inches, but it's curled, so it don't look like it. So I'm just going to part this on the side and just gently comb. And I'm using a wide tooth comb and comb through these curls like this. And do the same thing to the other side. So now you have like this big, full, like body wave hair. It looks like you have, or I have, a blowout like this. I'm gonna take my hot comb and my wax stick and freeze spray and make my hair flatter at the top. Alright, so now that that's flat, I'm gonna do my baby hairs. Where this would go? Actually, yeah, do my baby hair. So since this is the side part, I'm just gonna do baby hairs on this side. It's kind of already done a little bit, but I'm just gonna cut them so that I can swoop it how I want to. So I'm taking my gel, and I always do this when I do like side parts. This helps me cut it properly. So I'm taking my gel and I'm like swooping my edges before I cut it, just so I can get an idea of like how short I need it and what it's gonna look like, yada yada yada. So, and like how much to cut, because I don't want to cut too much. I think that's good. So it looks like I only need to cut this much. Like this, just downward. Okay, cool. So I like it like that. I'm not gonna add any baby hairs to the other side. I just want this right here. And I'm gonna rewrap my edges. All right. So I just realized that I did this off camera, but oops. But I sprayed some of this Afoji Shine Spray on the hair just to give it a little bit more shine. And then I'm just gonna take my wand and just spruce up the curls a little bit. Before I do all that, I'm waiting for my wand to get hot. I'm gonna take my concealer from NYX and my flat angled brush. I'm going to define this little part right here. Okay, and then so now, like I said, this is what the curls look like on their own after I've brushed them out. It's a really cute, soft body wave that looks like this. But some of the curls are like a little dented, like over here it looks a little funky. So I'm just gonna take my wand and fix it a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but I just want to get like the weird dents out. Okay, cool. And I'm just gonna comb these out. All right, see, that's better. All right. And then lastly, I'm gonna take my hot comb, ouch, and just bump the front. Okay, it's not last. I got something else I need to do, but bump front like this. Okay, then lastly, I'm just taking some more of my cream makeup and I'm gonna put it along the front of the hairline to cover up whatever lace is left. All right, and there you have it. This looks really cute. But I really like the chestnut brown with the side part. It looks really cute. And are you ready to go about your day? Go about your day. Go about your day. This is the back. And the side. And the other side. And that is it. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.